LumaLabs Dream Machine allows you to create short videos based on images that you upload or images that you create within the application. And the videos sometimes turn out great, and they sometimes turn out to be a hot mess. Because until now, we haven't had the ability to control where the animation goes, basically where the animation ends up. But now, LumaLabs Dream Machine has introduced keyframes. This gives us the power to control exactly how our video ends. Let's check it out. Okay, to get started, we have two options. We can either click this icon to browse to an image to start with. We also have the option of dragging and dropping into this area. I'm going to go ahead and use the drag and drop method. My before image is going to be Lara Croft in office attire, in an office environment. And for my ending frame, I'm going to get a picture of Lara Croft as the adventurer that we all know and love. We're going to animate from Lara Croft in an office environment, in office attire, to Lara Croft in a cave. For best results, you actually want to animate very little. However, I find it more fun to go to the extreme and animate the environment and basically animate everything except for the character. I'm going to go ahead and click here, and then I'll see you in a little while. We have our creation. In the free plan, this took 35 minutes to generate. And so here is our masterpiece, Lara Croft business attire in a business environment, transforming into the Lara Croft that we all know and love. Let's see that again. So instead of something kind of dynamic and exciting, she just walks to the side of her office, which is, it's a cave or it's a movie set, so she can pose as a Lara Croft adventurist. I like it. Pretty smooth. Happy with those results. Let's try another one. For our second example, we're going to use Michael Scott. I'm going to drag a picture of Michael Scott from the office in an empty office building. And when Michael Scott is not in the office, he's fighting crime as a superhero, or at least that's what he'd like to be doing. So let's go ahead and create an animation of him doing that. So we're going to create an animation of him being a superhero. And let's go. Okay, we have our results. And I know this doesn't look exactly like Michael Scott. It's AI's version of Michael Scott. Let's all witness together the amazing transformation of Michael Scott to a superhero. Perfect. Instead of actually transforming in Spot or in a telephone booth like the traditional Superman, he just has a superhero twin show up. And apparently this superhero twin can go straight through walls and floors and ceilings. And what I love even more about Michael Scott as a superhero is he still has his dress shoes on. He's got some long socks on to look like boots, but he still has his office shoes on, which is fantastic. I love it. You're going to love this one because it involves the lovable Bill Murray. Wouldn't he make the best superhero of them all? In the before shot, Bill Murray is sitting at a cafe sipping on some coffee. And in the after shot, he is the superhero that he's always been. And now he just gets to flaunt it with his fancy cape and tights. All right, and action. Okay, friends, are you ready for the Bill Murray animation? Let's see how it turned out. I like it. It's not so much Bill Murray transforming. It's like his superhero twin just showed up. He's talking. It almost looks like he's advertising the coffee. And his superhero twin is like, yeah, that sounds amazing. And he just shows up. I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, hit that subscribe button with all the power of Bill Murray as a superhero. Until next time, friends, take care.